Hi and good evening, everyone. So we will do a reflection for pec300, which is management skills and all the activities that we have done throughout the semesters. So who's gonna go first? Anyone want to volunteer?
I think you should go first, Farah.
Me? Oh my god, it will be very long, lor. But it's
No
okay.
worries. We would like to hear your opinion, your
Oh
reflection.
gosh. Okay. So mine is just like generic punya ni. So first of all, so it's my turn. Okay. So first of all, for my reflection, this semester, PC300 was insightful journey that focused on building essential management competencies. So what I've learned is self-awareness and emotional intelligence, where through all the activities and project that I had joined, I discover how understanding my emotions and recognizing like others' perspective improve teamwork and decision making. So other than that, like there are also like communication skills which show the importance of clear, effective communication. So activities like wiki activities, events, programs, and like presentations like help define my ability to like convey ideas, provide feedbacks, and listen like actively, which are crucial for building trust and collaborations. Then like there are also like team management, where we studied leadership styles and strategies for managing diverse teams. So group projects were like instrumental in applying these lessons. So like it teach me to delegate tasks, resolve conflicts, and motivate teams member effectively. So like also like there are others such as like practical applications where group assignments that we did together help like hone not only like the leadership but also like teamwork skills in managing our group. So like managing differing like opinions in these settings was challenging but also like rewarding at the same time, because for me it's fun. Like so like next, the simulations and real life scenarios also like allow us to practice conflict resolution, negotiation, and performance management throughout our group. I mean, not only our group, but also like other group that I have joined as a committee. So, and personal development plans can ensure that our learning align with our career goals, making the skills directly applicable to real world settings. So, next that I want to talk about is the challenges that we or I myself encounter, such as adapting to new leadership or role styles, like resolving like conflicts within groups and managing time effectively during a busy semester, since this semester is really busy. So but somehow like each challenge, however, like become an opportunity and a opportunity that strengthen my resilience and adaptability. So and finally, like these skills also like significantly like boosted my confidence in areas like public speaking. But public speaking, I need to improve that. So at a certain, there's also like decision making and interpersonal communication. So it also heightened my like self awareness, helping me identify areas for improvement and growth. So in conclusion, being part in being part in the class and participating in all activities was like truly enriching experience. So the subject management skills provide not just like theoretical like knowledge, but also like practical opportunities to apply what we have learned. So making the concept much more relatable and impactful. So the groups, while sometimes challenging, were instrumental in shaping my understanding of our teamwork, working understanding of our teamwork. So working with my peers exposed me to different perspective, tested my passion, and taught me value of effective collaboration. So like although like managing group dynamics could be tricky at times, of course, since we have our like challenges. So it was equally like in the end is kind of rewarding lah. So every challenge that we face as a team allow us to grow and strengthen our bonds, fostering a sense of like mutual respects and understanding. So on the lighter side, the class and also the programs or events that I have joined was also incredibly enjoyable, whether it was through like weekly activities, interactive discussions, or simply sharing love during projects. The balance between like learning and fun made the entire experience like memorable. So it wasn't just about like developing like management skills, but at the same time it's also like building relationships, learning from each other and growing together. So that is my reflection. So thank you. So how about you guys? How about you guys?
Okay, so I'll be going on after this. Thank you, Farah. Okay, my name is Ishwinder Singh, and I'm the club's treasurer, I guess. Okay, little bit reflection about my this project, right? This final year project and the weekly activity. So let's talk about the weekly activity. And the kind of challenges that we have to face as a team is basically planning the entire activity and organizing it and getting the team to work together. So all this requires proper organizing and planning, right? So at first beginning, we had a bit of like getting everyone on the page. So we had like a bit difficulties on that. So that was one of our challenges. And thankfully, with all our teamwork, everyone has contributed equally in the participate in making the weekly activity to go well. So what we did during our activities, like we had organizing games. So these games was actually basically like treasure hunt, but we make it more into like towards like checkpoints and stuff like that. So what it does is it gives teams more time to like plan ahead for their, what are they going to do for the next checkpoint and stuff like that. So they have to plan. So from one direction to another. So everything requires for them to plan and lead and do it accordingly for them to like actually win. So in minding of all of that objectives that we have set for the activities and stuff like that, I feel like it was a good experience because it went well and everyone participated well, despite a few other challenges here and there. It went very well. So like I would like to thank the team for all the efforts, right? And then we also had our final project, which was we not a traditional dance, was also very challenging because the steps was very difficult and we had to revise multiple times. But despite all that, we stick together as a team, okay, and we did our best. And yes, we have followed accordingly all the objectives. And I would still say thank you to the team. And yeah, that's all from me. So moving on to the next person.
You can you can
Can hear, right?
yeah, yeah.
Okay, so first of all, throughout the semester, there's a lot of activity. So the first thing was on my mind that is like the discussion for the proposal of the Tarian Zapin that was conducted. It involved brainstorming ideas like how to evaluate their feasibility and draft a formal proposal. And then it also improved my ability in understanding the traditional dance and the learning of tradition. And then the weekly guided activities, it fosters team building exercises and the problem solving challenges. There's also group discussions that was made, and it is instrumental in developing both technical and interpersonal management skills for myself. And these kind of activities encourage me to think on my feet, make better and quick decisions, and adapt to changing circumstances. These team building exercises also help me to understand how to foster a collaborative environment where everyone's strength could be utilized. I also learned the importance of active listening and how it contributes to effective communication in a group setting. Um, Yeah, so from this, based on the problem solving and challenges, it present the real world scenarios that required us to apply the knowledge to practical situations. So basically, these challenges not only improved my analytical skills, but also taught me how to stay calm and think logically, even under the pressure, especially when this semester is actually quite um, most packed and there's not much time to do this. But yeah, it improved my management skill most overall. Um, And there's also some activities like Songket Run, which taught us the importance of teamwork and the cultural appreciation, and also being effective on time management. Um, I also gained the insights into the event coordination and develop a deeper appreciation for local tradition. I think that's all from me.
Okay, thank you. How about you guys?
Okay, so let me continue.
Sekejap. I cannot hear your voice.
Dengar tak?
Dengar? Dengar slow.
Okay, so let me continue. From my overall reflection for these management skills, it involves my self-awareness and also continuous learning that also helps me to understand better my strength and areas for my improvement, and it leads to a better decision making. So in order to give some improvement for my management skills and also my communication skills, I need to enhance more on my management skills, communication skills, leadership skills by reflecting on any feedback from my group mates that help me to improve on how I communicate with my group mates. I think that's all from me. I pass to Anis.
Hi, my name is Anisha Pika. So what I learned from this PEC 300 management skill is that they enhance my understanding of clear managing process and the importance of building a management trust within our group. In this way, I'm not only develop a creative way of responding to problems, but also find a way of responding to situations that are different from how I do things at home. Another advantage of this management skill is that I'm able to improve and build problem solving abilities and help other people to manage the responsibilities of example, the time management and the work process. Further, having a good team but also having a sense of when you should be one and help other to manage the work to make the teams go to make the team process go well. In general, team management skills are crucial to achieving the team goal, which for us is to build a good management skills, and that's all. Thank you.
Okay, nice. Okay, so I think that's all for our group 2B, B or A, reflection. So thank you guys. Thank you guys. Is there like any like you guys want to comment? Like any?
I would firstly like to apologize for my inefficiencies and the trouble from not attending sometimes. So I know that's going to annoy a lot of people. So I would like to thank you, and thank you for being good teammates. That's all from me.
How about others? Mine tak ada. I think I don't have any comments. So I think that's all. I think that's all for our reflection. So thank you guys. Good job.
Thank you.
Good job.
Bye.